Tired of iOS and scrambling for exact change? Let's ditch the physical cash and dive into the seamless world of Apple Pay for sending and receiving money. First, the easiest way through iMessage. Open your Messages app and tap on the conversation with the person you want to pay or request money from. See that little Apple Pay icon next to the text field? Tap it, a window will pop up, allowing you to enter the amount of money you want to send or request. Key in the dollar amount now. You'll have to choose send if you're paying someone, or request if you need to be reimbursed. Choose the one you need. Tap send or request, and then authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Boom. The money is on its way, or the request is sent. Alternatively, you can use the Wallet app. Open your wallet and select your Apple Cash card. If you don't see one, you may need to set up Apple Cash first. Tap on the Send or Request button. From here, you'll be prompted to enter the contact information of the person you want to transact with. Select their contact, enter the amount, and just like in iMessage, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And that's it. Sending and receiving money with Apple Pay is quick, secure, and keeps your transactions digital. Now go forth and conquer those iOS. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Apple Pay tips and tricks.